I spy with my little eye.
Something beginning with I.
Something beginning with I.
Iceberg.
Iron.
No.
Ice cream.
No.
Pop.
No. You give up.
Yeah.
You give up. I'm going to tell you. I'm telling you now. Iceberg!
I think we're sinking, Captain.
Not even God can sink this ship. This friendship.
That ship sailed a long time ago.
I suppose you can't all be plain sailing.
I asked for ice in my drink, but this is ridiculous!
What is it, Dr. Scotland?
I didn't expect such a frosty reception.
Well, spit it out, man!
It's an emergency, Captain.
I know. We're sinking.
No, that's just the tip of the iceberg, Captain. It's the lifeboats.
What about the lifeboats?
There's simply too many lifeboats, Captain.
Sweet Jesus! Well, get the band off first.
Don't worry, I won't jump ship on this one.
Oh, I've got a sinking feeling.
May God have mercy on us all.
It's a fucking gay club.
Dad, honestly, you really didn't have to take me in tonight.
No, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. This place is really cool.
Yeah, I don't think I'm comfortable with it.
Hey, what about him, mate? He's a stud, right? You like studs, don't you? What was it? Do you prefer bears? Is that it? You top or a bottom, son? Eh? Top or a bottom? I'm cool with it.
No, I don't really want to talk about it.
No, someone's a prickly pear. Too much information, eh? I'm cool with it. You like men? I'm cool with it. I used to push you on the swings. I'm cool with it.
You didn't have to do this.
Hey, what about him, right? He's got a sexy arse. Hey, you, come here.
Dad!
Hey, all right? What's going on? How about this gay scene, eh? Pretty modern, huh? You wouldn't have this back in my day. I'm cool with it. You'd all be in prison right now. I'm cool with it.
That's it, dance.
Oh, steady on, sailor. Go on. This is how you do it, son. Is this grinding? Am I grinding? I love it.
Dad!
Hey, I know it's a couple of glory holes in the bathroom there. You want to go check it out?
Dad, what are you talking
Hey,
about?
you got any poppers?
Dad!
What? Just cool. I like poppers. They're fun.
Look, I didn't ask you to do this. I didn't ask for any of this.
But I'm cool with
Yeah,
it.
just stop saying that. Look, I'm still your son. I haven't changed.
I thought this is what you wanted.
No, Dad. Look, I'm gay, not you. You don't have to try so hard. But we can hang out like normal, you know? Like, we could go fishing.
What's that gay for? Is that like dogging but in a leisure centre?
No, Dad, it's just fishing.
Still want to do something like that with me?
Yeah, of course I would. Now, come on, let's get out of here.
Right.
What if I was Mother Teresa? Here you go, my child. The good Lord has provided sustenance that I pass unto you. Enough food to last a fortnight at least.
Thank you, Mother Teresa. Thanks to you, my family should live.
And I shall keep giving to keep your smile in the world. Now run home, Charlie. Run as fast as you can. And don't stop for anybody. And most importantly, don't open that bag until you reach the village.
Whatever you say, Mrs. T. Gee, this bag sure is heavy. It would be awful cool if someone could help me carry it the 7 miles home.
Well, I suppose beggars can't be choosers. Goodbye now. It does my heart good to do God's will.
Where's the gold, Mother Teresa?
I'm sorry, I'm afraid I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't play coy with me, Mother Teresa. Or should I say, Mama Stone Balls?
You just couldn't leave it alone, could you, Cortez? You didn't think we'd forgotten about you. You should have stayed in Tokyo if you knew what was good for you.
Enough games, balls. West like gold.
That bag of rust, that'll win a long time ago. Vegas, Monte Carlo, Disneyland, and a whole lot of hookers.
You haven't changed an inch.
Well, I guess old habits die hard. Paprika!
Careful now. We wouldn't want you getting hurt, would we?
Just like old times. Remember Istanbul's?
How could I forget? You tried to kill me.
I tried to do a lot of things. In Istanbul.
God, I miss those raisin lips.
And they missed you.
So, how'd you do it?
The gold? Simple, I guess. It's all in the food bags.
Genius.
So, I guess you're here to arrest me, eh, Cortez?
That was the idea. But you know, we could use you back on the force again. Get the old partnership back together. Things, well, they haven't been the same since you
I
left.
told you I'm out of the game, Cortez. I have a new life now. With the children.
You always wanted kids. But I'm glad you're happy. Have a nice life.
Hey, Cortez! Stay golden.